friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our third one, first and second questions. So what is there given and what we have to find it? So first one, they are given that first term a as a 5 and common difference as 3. Next, an they are given, so an. So last term, nth term they are given, that is 50. We have to find n. After that, we have to find sum of n terms. So this is the question. So let's going to write first one. So what is the first one solution? A will be equal to 5 and common difference will be equal to 3 and nth term. So nth term they are given an will be equal to 50. So what is nth term formula? An will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we an, so an we know that is 50, first term we know that is 5 and plus n will be n minus 1 into common difference is 3. So n minus 1 into 3 will be equal to 50 minus 5, we will get it as 45. So as we know that is 45. Next, n minus 1 will be equal to 45 by 3, so 3 1s are 3 5s are 15 3s are 45, so that is 15. Then n minus 1 will be equal to 15, that implies n will be equal to 15 plus 1, that is 16. So n will be equal to 16. So now we found that n will be equal to 16. Then what is the next one? We have to find sum of n. So Sn formula is equals to Sn n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the one. So n by 2. So what is the n here? So sum of 16. So 16 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a will be equal to first term 5 and 16 minus 1 into common difference is 3. So this is the value. So 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 into 2 5s are 10 plus 15 into 3. So what value we will get? 8 into 10 plus 15 3s are 45. So here 8 into what value we will get it here? 55. So 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40 plus 44. So 440. So therefore sum of 16 terms will be equal to 440. So this is the Sn. So this is the sum of n terms. This is the value for the first one. Let's going to check our second question here. So what is the second one? What they are given? A will be equal to 7 and 13th term, they are only telling that last term 13th term, and we have to find what is the common difference. So 13th term is 35. So an formula is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the one, a plus n minus 1 into d, but here nth term they are given 13th term, that is a will be equal to 7 plus 13, n will be equal to 13th term 13 minus 1 into d as it is. So a 13 is 35, that is a plus 13 minus 1 will become 12 into d. So 12d will be equal to 35 minus 7. So 35 minus 7. So how we need to subtract 7 here? So 30 minus 7, it will be 23. 23 plus 5. So that is a way to do. 23 plus 5, 28. So 12d. So d will be equal to 28 by 12. So what value we are getting here? So this is the way 35 minus. So this is the way here 20. Next one. So 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then 2 3s are 2 7s are. So d will be equal to 7 by 3. So this is the value. D will be equal to 7 by 3. Next going to calculate sum of 13 terms. So sum of 13 terms n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is Sn formula. So S13, 13 by 2. So 13 by 2 into 2 into a will be equal to what? 7 plus 13 minus 1 into 7 by 3. So 13 by 2 keep as it is into 2 7s are 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 13 by 2 into what value? 14 plus 4 7s are 28. Then what is the value here? Let's going to keep as it is 13 by 2 into 14 plus 28. So 28. So 4 plus 8, 12, that is 42. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So what is the S? S13 will be equal to 13 into 21. So 13 into 21. So 3, 1, 2, 6, 2, 3 is 6, 2, 2 is then 3, 7, 273. So what is the value here? Is 13. So sum of 13 terms will be equal to 273. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.